Pulumi AI is a new AI-based assistant that is purpose-built for creating cloud infrastructure using Pulumi. With Pulumi AI, you can use GPT-enabled AI to help you discover what IAC to use for your specific natural language requirements, and then iterate on that with the AI assistant. In this example, we ask Pulumi AI to create an EC2 instance in AWS, and then add new requirements and features to iterate on our infrastructure. We can change languages, and we can work with any of the 130 supported cloud and SaaS providers in the Pulumi platform. Pulumi AI is also available as a CLI application you can run locally, which takes these ideas even further. With the Pulumi AI CLI built on GPT and Pulumi Automation API, you can interactively develop cloud infrastructure and applications running in the cloud using only natural language. In this example, we built a static website in AWS S3, live on the internet using just a few prompts. When it makes a mistake, we can ask it to fix the problem, and it does. When we want to be more creative, we can ask it, and it adds additional details to our application. And when we're done, we can inspect the Pulumi program it generates, and then have it clean up after itself. This is a truly incredible power to put in the hands of AI, but also an incredible potential for improved productivity and learning. Check out pulumi.com/AI to get started with Pulumi AI today.